Hi, I'm Nelsie Ramos, meteorologist of the National Hurricane Center Marine Branch. I'll be providing you with the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing, valid through Tuesday, October 14. Let's look at the hazard within the next 5 days. Currently, we have a Category 1 hurricane warning due to Tropical Storm Jerry located just southeast of the northern Leeward Island by 2 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Jerry is forecast to become a hurricane by late Friday or Saturday, and peak seas are forecast to build up to 32 feet near the center of the system. Currently, there is a tropical storm warning for offshore zones east and north of the Lesser Antilles, as well as the Leeward Island offshore waters, except for a hurricane warning for Zone 83, which covers the area 22 north to 25 north between 60 west and 65 west. Let's take a quick look at the tropical weather outlook for the next 7 days. The NHC is issuing advisories on Tropical Storm Jerry located southeast of the northern Leeward Island. Also, there is a gale force low about 435 nautical miles northwest of the Azores that could briefly develop into a subtropical or tropical system within a day before moving into cooler waters and stronger wind shear. However, there is a low chance of formation of this system through the next 48 hours and within the next 7 days. The most recent track of Jerry suggests that a turn toward the northwest is expected by the evening, followed by a slight slower northward motion on Friday and Saturday. The center of Jerry is expected to pass near or northeast of the northern Leeward Islands this evening and tonight. Gradual strengthening is then forecast during the next few days, and Jerry could become a hurricane by late Friday or Saturday. A tropical storm warning is currently in effect for Barbuda and Anguilla, San Bartolome, and San Martin. And southwest of this island, we currently have a tropical storm watch. Now let's look at the wind and wave forecast. By 24 hours or Friday morning, we expect a cold front to dig into the offshore waters east of northern Florida, which is going to support fresh winds across those offshore waters and seas in the 8 to 10 feet range. We're going to have also Tropical Storm Jerry just north of the northern Leeward Islands with peak seas of 23 feet. By Saturday morning, Jerry would have intensified into a Category 1 hurricane and seas would have peaked to 27 feet. Also, the former cold front will stall along the 31 north area, and a low will also develop east of the northern Florida coast. This scenario will lead to seas in the 8 to 16 feet range just north of Hurricane Jerry. By Sunday morning, the low pressure would have shifted to the offshore waters of South Carolina and Georgia, with a cold front extending across South Florida into the Gulf of America. Hurricane Jerry, still a Category 1 hurricane, will have also built seas to 32 feet, and the remainder offshore waters east of the Bahamas will be in the 8 to 10 feet range. By Monday morning, we forecast the cold front to be just east of the northern Bahamas, supporting seas in the 8 to 10 feet range. Also, Hurricane Jerry will be crossing the 31 north area, but we're going to still have seas up to 25 feet in our regional waters. And lastly, by Tuesday morning, Hurricane Jerry will be producing seas up to 22 feet in our regional waters. This has been your Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing through Tuesday, October 14. The next briefing will be on Sunday, October 12 by 5 p.m. Remember, you can always get the latest graphic and information at hurricanes.gov/marine. Thank you and have a great weekend.